spiritual ATM card. This thing expires under 6 months.
A new video from a church service has gone viral showing Prophet Jeremiah Omoto introducing a surprise new product to his congregation, a spiritual ATM card. He is the leader of Christ Mercyland Deliverance Ministry. In the video, he explained that this special card is not like the regular ATM cards people use at the bank. Instead, he said it works in a spiritual way to bring helpers into the lives of people who have it. The card, according to the prophet, cost $20, about 30,000 naira. Being sold on the church website, he told his church members that the card expires in 6 months and could disappear if not properly cared for. To show how this card works, he called a woman to the stage and gave a demonstration during the church service. This isn't the first time Prophet Omoto has released unusual church products. In the past, he has sold items like spiritual underwear, holy water, and golden spoons. These items often come with high price tags, and some people have expressed concern about mixed religion with sales. Spiritual ATM has sparked a lot of reactions on social media. People found it strange, while others criticized the idea.
Spiritual ATM card. This thing expires under 6 months. Spiritual ATM card. You cannot use it to the physical one. It can't work.
No, sir.
The physical one, it cannot enter. It can't work at all because they are not the same. This one, you use it the way you use it. I will tell you.
Yes, sir.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, prophets.
This thing expires under 6 months. Under what?
6 months.
6 months. I want to test run it.
Yes, Papa.
I will use somebody to test run it.
Take.
Favor. Somebody's a favor.
Favor.
Hey. 7 days. Number one prayer. 7 days you send this one. 3 days. Nights. Midnight. Pray this prayer. Keep it. If you don't keep it well, it will disappear.
The new fans defended the prophet, saying he has a right to their beliefs. While the story has gotten a lot of reactions online, many are still talking about it. We'd love to hear your opinion. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.